Hey, what's up? Don't click away. I'm going to show you guys how we repaired a cracked front screen on a Samsung Galaxy Note 8 without taking it apart. Hey guys, I'm Javier with MrPhoneDoctor.com. Thank you all so much for sticking around and watching this episode. You are in for a treat. What we're going to do is we're going to carefully remove the cracked front glass on the Samsung Galaxy Note 8, clean off the OCA glues, and laminate another sheet of glass. If you guys enjoy all things tech and repair related, please make sure you guys hit the subscribe button and smack the bell so you're notified on our latest videos. If you guys have any questions, comments, or suggestions, feel free to reach us at www.mrphonedoctor.com or by simply commenting down below. And don't forget to check us out on social media, guys. You can find us on Instagram and the other social media platforms found below. I personally want to thank each and every one of you guys for supporting our journey here on YouTube. It means a lot to me. We're actually coming up on a really huge milestone of 5K subscribers. So thank you, thank you, thank you. In return, we wanted to give back to you guys, our community, and offer you guys a special instructional online video series that goes in further detail the tools, equipment, and the techniques that we use here in-house to repair the cracked screens that we receive. If it's something you guys are interested in, please leave your comments down below, and it'll be something that you guys could look forward to seeing in the year 2020, which of course is only a few weeks away. So what you guys are going to see today is a very, very technical repair. We do not recommend you guys trying this at home. By all means, we are not restricting you from attempting this repair, but please do not hold us responsible to any damages done to your device. If there's anything you'd like to see in further detail, please reach out to us and we'd be more than happy to help you guys out. All right, that's enough talking. Let's step back into the lab and let's get this sucker dissected. All right, what's up guys? Welcome back to the lab. So this is going to be another one of our in-frame series where we're going to repair the phone without taking it apart. Now this is the Samsung Galaxy Note 8 that we'll be working on today. You can see that it does have some cracks right here on the lower and the top area. And if you have seen some of our previous videos, you do know how we like to start them off. We want to make sure that the touch and everything's fully working before we begin this repair. So everything seems to be working fine. So one of the top reasons why we do like to do these in frame is just because we like keeping the original Samsung glues intact that hold everything into place. So you are going to actually have all the tape that holds the back glass OEM, as well as the front frame tape that holds the AMOLED display into the mid-frame chassis. So this is going to be a straightforward repair. We're going to go ahead and just remove the glass, and we'll stick this bad boy into our laminator and laminate the new sheet of glass. So I really do hope you guys are enjoying these videos. If you guys are, please make sure you guys hit the subscribe button and smack that bell so you're notified on our latest videos. Let's go ahead and dig into this.
I've been holding on to something inside myself, holding on to the pain I know so well. These drugs are hitting the same no more. I've been running to the bottle cause I need help. I've been giving the pain that I've been dealt, and I try can take this home. I've been doing.
Okay, so we have finished removing the OCA from the display. We're going to want to go and give it a test, make sure everything's fully working. She looks pretty. And in case you guys did see our last Note 8 video, I do apologize. The audio went out and it was just a mess. So I am no longer using Bluetooth or Wi-Fi devices. So that should prevent any kind of audio issues in the future. Alright, so as of now, the touch seems fully responsive, which is great. Let's just get into the final menu. Well, there we have it. You can see the touch is fully working. So let's go ahead and move over to the laminating station and laminate the glass. Alright guys, welcome back to the laminating station. We're going to go and proceed and begin laminating the front glass onto the Note 8 device. We're going to first begin by laminating the OCA onto the glass. So let's go ahead and begin that process. Alright, we're going to let this laminate for a few minutes and we'll come back once it's ready. Alright, laminating has finished and this came out perfect. No bubbles whatsoever, so we can go ahead and move forward onto the next step and laminate the glass onto the actual device. I'm going to go ahead and first make sure everything's clean before we do laminate. Last thing we want is some kind of debris or particle to get in there and cause any kind of issues. Alright, we're ready to go. Let's go ahead and squash it. Alright, laminating has finished. Let's go and do the reveal. She looks great. Now the only thing we're going to need to do is we decided to start putting our devices into the autoclave machine. So let's go ahead and set it in here for about 2 minutes and that'll help cook out all these little bubbles that we see here. If you notice, there's one little bubble right here and that's pretty much it. Very minimal, guys, but overall, I mean, it looks really good. Let me show you guys in detail. See that? So you can see one bubble right here, right there. So we'll go ahead and put it inside the autoclave machine for a few minutes and that'll help relieve all these little bubbles that are showing up. Alright, a few minutes have passed in the autoclave machine. So let's go ahead and do the reveal. Take a look at it. I'm going to pull these tabs out. Oh man, she is beautiful. Take a look. So that's it. Pretty much straightforward repair with this. You can see the touch and everything's working. And don't mind this little black spot there. That's just some glue. I'm actually going to have to give the phone a wipe down. We did get some glue that came up from the bottom that we used to hold the glass into place. But there you have it, guys. That's the Note 8 finished repair. Just a note to you guys, you know, I mean, sometimes, you know, you will see a little bit waving, but it's not going to be so noticeable. We are human and small little imperfections can occur on this, you know, since you're not buying a brand new AMOLED display. Now, if you do buy a brand new AMOLED display from factory, you know, you can pay, you know, a couple $100s to get that installed, but, you know, it's just going to be a little bit pricey compared to the glass only repair that we offer. Alright guys, so that wraps up our Samsung Galaxy Note 8 front glass repair in frame, of course without taking apart the phone. If you guys like what you see, leave us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next episode. Cheers.